YouTube. We are back with another video, nigga. And I say we are back. We are back with another video. We're back. We back in the dollar store. I don't know if I should have it like this or like this. We back at the dollar store. We about to go to Wadsworth. About to enjoy the waterfall. About to take my nephew out. I think I should have it the other way. I don't. I'm trying to get water, and it's the only one they got in the fridge. The hell they got going on? Ain't drinking that. I just sneezed. God damn. Never mind though. We found it. Good water. Alkaline. This is perfect for content. Y'all love this Mopar Dodge shit. I don't know. I love it too, but. Say what's up, Jeremiah. Say what's up.
What's up?
I'm this way. Why are you looking out the window? This way.
Tell them where we going.
We're going to.
Nah, damn.
Okay.
Redo that.
We're going to
yeah.
the waterfall.
We're going to the waterfall.
Nigga dropped the whole address. I'm about to put the arrival. I felt 10,000 minutes or years.
Like for a whole day.
Show 'em my outfit, Jeremiah. Here.
Be the recorder.
I ain't even got nothing good on, but. Hey, come on, L recorder.
I got it.
Get the
What? This is what?
All right, y'all.
I'm not.
Just got here.
Come on.
You gotta go, man. He's scared to go there to compete. We about to go look at the waterfall.
We about to look at the waterfall. Let's go down the line.
Oh,
Me, what the fuck?
they coming out to feel me. I don't know what that is, twin. That's what them clowns, but the clowns, this shit good.
Do you remember I took your hair when you were a baby?
I probably should be vaped on YouTube. I don't know if I can do it anymore.
Look at Uncle Nick.
I bet not hurt. I'm about to do it quick, ready?
Oh shit, Nick!
I can't flip no more. I'm too old. That was probably the scariest thing I did, like, ever. I feel like I was in the air for way too long. If you over 27, don't do that shit. I ain't 27 yet. My back right here, I done stretched my shit all the way out, man. Hood thick shits, like it's going crazy. Yo, I feel like I pulled my I don't even know what that's called. I was gonna say that. Twin, this is really a spot you could come to and just like think about life. What the hell I'm talking about? You could just come here and enjoy yourself, bro. Listen to the water. I should have brought my dog, but it's just something you do. Like, look. Come on, we're gonna hear it. We'll let y'all hear this. Let y'all hear this. So it's coming from back here. That shit is beautiful, bro. And we gonna go down down there so y'all can see more of it. It's just relaxing, beautiful. Nephew height. Yeah, we about to go down. Look it. We might go up there. You never know. Yeah, man, we just chilling. It's good, bro. We just chilling, bro. So now we're gonna go to the other location, and I'm gonna get that on camera. I'm gonna show y'all this real quick, and then I'm gonna cut. We exploring. This how Buddy died off Animal Planet, right? Yeah, she on that Haitian Island shit. We ain't doing that. I ain't dropping my feet. I ain't dropping my feet. You think my feet, twin? Going in there? No. Hey, yeah, also, I don't know if I want to flip my camera like this or like this. But also, it's hair day. I did get a haircut. I did have my braids and stuff, but I took it out because it's in my DNA, it's in my hair, it's my nationality to just let my hair be. Like, who cares? I'm beautiful, you're beautiful, we're all beautiful. Fuck what they say. Anywho, nephew, talk to him. What we doing? We on YouTube. What we doing right now? What we doing? What we doing?
Sometimes my dad will come over and stop by and
Okay.
like a little house.
He fake shy. I don't know why he was doing that. She's enjoying the water. She probably praying and getting her thoughts in because I can't say too much on YouTube because I don't even have a big following. I got a small one, but I don't want people to see this and be like, oh, what is this guy talking about? Cancel it. But yeah, the water is a place that you want to go to and get your thoughts. How can I say this? Because the water holds memory. So you want to go to the water. Let me shut up.
Can we go there?
Yeah, come on. I'm over here trying to get some motivational stuff, and I don't even know what to say. My dumb ass. Yeah, it's my nephew. You want to get some footage of my nephew? Hey, record me. I got to try to do another backflip.
You're not doing this.
Record me.
Cause I can do backflips.
Get your hands off the camera. Keep me in the camera. Keep me in the camera.
I am.
See me?
Yes.
Got it? You ready?
Yes.
You ready? I
Yes.
can hear you.
Yes.
Got me?
Yeah.
Stairways to heaven. That's what she said. This is kind of nice though, like stone architecture. Yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me on this on these steps down here. No picnicking, bro. Don't come here trying to eat your food.
No.
No. Y'all don't listen, and that's the problem. Oh, I didn't even see that. What you think is in there? You want to check it out?
We'll go together. We can't go to the portal.
We exploring. I think we found a portal, Muddy. A portal? It's a Sonic ring? What is it?
We thought it's a portal from Super Mario.
Oh yeah, you found a portal.
I know.
Don't go in there, bro. Yo, you gonna
Don't go in
disappear.
there. Let me take a picture of you in front of it.
Why do you don't want me going?
Let me take a picture. Say cheese. Look at mommy, cheese. Come on, let's go. Be careful.
He won't go in there so bad.
He ain't going in there. He ain't fucking going in there. Come on.
Danger zone. But yeah, see people come get in the lake. We ain't gonna do too much on that because you know, female just like to come out and show ass and shit. Like, type shit. So yeah, just here enjoying. We got a closer view. Get the fuck off my side. I tell you one thing, though, my vlogs are getting better and better. I'm getting more like, I'm out of my shell. Like, I don't give a fuck no more. But as you can see, it's people here, and I'm still being me, the me I should have been when I wasn't being me. That was fire. But shit, man, my vlogs are gonna get better. The color coding and color grading or whatever you want to call it, all the nerd stuff that matters. Alright. Let me move. I just heard, yeah, ain't no bears getting me today, twin. No, fuck no. But yeah, like I was saying, I had to come down here because hell nah, I'd have heard some, what the fuck? Yeah, we just getting better, bro. We came a long way. You're gonna be able to tell from my first vlog, trash, but I kept it up because I'm actually surprised myself that I put something out publicly and I didn't want to delete it or go back and criticize it. And to be honest, what I post as of right now, because I'm still in the early stage of getting myself out there and content creating. And I got bad anxiety and depression, so it's really hard for me to get outside to get up and do anything. So when I do post, I'm fucking rambling. Holy shit. I don't go back and watch it. Because if I go back and watch it, I might see something I don't like, which you guys may like, but I don't like it because you're your own worst critic. And I know this bugging just landed on my phone. Fuck, nigga. I'm pussy. Yeah, so I don't go back and watch and critic nothing. I just leave it for y'all, the people, whoever, whether to like or dislike. I don't care. To me, I'm happy that I'm doing what I'm doing and I'm able to come on my show and actually do something that I always wanted to do. I wish I'd been done it because it actually looks like I'm getting attacked by bugs. I'm sorry. But it actually looks like I'm just like trend riding and trying to do it for money and shit like that. But I've always been the type of person that like being behind camera because as a kid, I used to dance. I used to always go to parties and be the center of attention. I don't mean center of attention like I go there and I want all eyes on me. But it's just, I'm going to sound so cliche, but it's just the aura and the energy I give off whenever I go or went places. I was always the one to, they would always put me in the mix. They know I was the dancer, the popular kid, and you know how that goes. So I always had some type of limelight on me and I kind of ran from it. So what I'm trying to do is embrace the path that was given to me and stop shutting myself down to be my own worst critic. But as I said, we got a lot of stuff coming. I told y'all what I can tell y'all. I don't think y'all know, but I do have a DUI, so that's why as of right now, there's not like car content or me buying cars and stuff, not yet. I have to continue to, I gotta get a breathalyzer, I'll suspend my license and, stuff like that. So, we're just gonna put it in God's hands and we're gonna keep going and going and going because the path that was set for me got nothing to do with what I got going on in my little bubble. All it is distracting me. You know what? Let me shut this fuck up. YouTube. Right now, I don't know what I'm doing. This is not even supposed to be the intro, but fuck it. We just gonna go see what's here. I don't even do stuff like this, bud. But I told y'all we're back with another video, right? So I had to get y'all something good. So that's what we gonna do. And today's is gonna be a rough day because I'm using the phone I'm using. This one overheated on me. 13 Pro Max. And then I got my sister's 16 Pro Max, but I hope I don't fall. Holy shit, man. I got bugs. My sister's 16 Pro Max also, but she's down there with my nephew and they're just hanging out, getting pictures in. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just out here. I'm beating up my Yeezy slides too, and I'm not liking it. Look. I don't know. I don't want to go back there and disrupt their time, but it's just nice. I love green and browns and yellows, and that's one thing about the East Coast. They talk a lot of jibber jabber, smacky dacky wacky shit about the East Coast. That was some old head shit. They talk about that about the East Coast, right? And there's people that fly from all across the world just to come see that, come see what we got. We have beautiful stuff down here. It's not just New York and Massachusetts and New Jersey. And you know what I'm saying? Like, it's beautiful out here, bro. The world just ain't about Los Angeles and Atlanta and Texas. And go explore, buddy. Fuck what the algorithm is. Fuck what the masses is showing you. Go out and use a set of 2 eyes that was given to you personally and go use it. You won't be mad, you won't disappoint, you won't upset. You'll actually be more than glad that you got out and saw shit you never knew that was there. And you would never knew, or you would never know that it was there unless you got your ass out the bed and went to go fucking see it. Why am I being motivated? I don't know, because I can't even get my ass out of bed and go do shit. Be able to notice we had to switch phones. I'm 3-phoning it. I got this one. I got the one in my hand. I got another one in my pocket somewhere. I don't know what's going on. But I can tell you this. If you thought I was coming out here without this, you're crazy. We got the Sherbinski Quattro. I don't know. That's gelato and Akai, I don't know how to say it. Akai, I don't know. This shit busting. What'd you say you want me to do? This nigga in the, yo. This is the other phone I was using, but it's too hot, so I don't know. I gotta use what I got. I don't know what the hell they're doing. This nigga think he got his, yeah, bro, why am I zoomed in? Yeah, I done hit the, they got me taking pictures on this. But yeah, I know y'all see that girl in the back. I told you, some girls really come places for attention. And I know that you noticed that she keep looking to see if she's on the camera. Mind you, she with her man, so it's like, bro, either you're gonna assert dominance or you're just gonna let her get walked down and accept that. Cause I'm not let me shut up. But yeah, we adventuring, you dig? Yeah. That boy on a rock. I'm not trying to fall twin, I ain't gonna lie. I'll zoom out. I don't know how he not scared. I'm not going over there. Oh, hold on, I gotta take some more pictures. Look at the camera. I'm getting smacked by water. We go back this, oh, almost fell. We go back this view. Oh shit, ah, I'm scared.
Hold on to the rock if you need to.
Scared as fuck. I'm scared as fuck. that's a thumbnail. Right? Got the ocean right here. That'll be a good thumbnail. Yeah, they're praying. Prayer, prayer, prayer. This shit, dude. Oh, how Twin, how he get up there? What? Hey, yo, I didn't even see that. Yeah, you cannot convince me that giants are not real. That's cap. Twin, I'm scared. How are these kids not scared? I'm scared as fuck. I'm getting smacked by water. I can't swim. This shit loud as fuck. I probably got bugs in my hair. I did. It go down there too. This is nice. We took some pictures. We took pictures, so y'all can see the pictures. And then that's about to take some pictures. I'm about to change the location though. He used to slide down this?
Yeah, when Jeremiah was little, a baby, an infant, I would sit him right here and he'll slide down. But
What the fuck?
I think it really hurt him because real shit, I don't think his balls was developed.
Yo,
So,
bro, what?
He didn't feel pain. You know? What?
I don't know where the hell we going now, but okay. When you said where, what, what's going on? I got too much hair to be going down there. What the fuck? I don't do shit like this, man. What? Ooh, what is that? Spider got a caterpillar or something? You see it? That's crazy. Nature. This dude love the water. And I'm not gonna lie, these look like Walmart slides now. These not even Yeezys no more. Challenge, who's walking across that? Hold on, another one. Could you see it? No. Right there, look. Webby. Another one. Yo, I can only imagine like the rainforest, Amazon, y'all spiders be getting active. Snakes active. Keep me, I can't do this. I do want a house with a nice backyard though, or like a lot of acres of land where I could do something like this, but I probably should sit down and talk to y'all a little more about the stuff I got coming in the future. But it's not really one of them vlogs. We just showing y'all nice, relaxing day. And yeah, we got more vlogs coming for the summer. I believe I'm traveling to Guatemala, however you say it. I'm gonna go to Guatemala, maybe Canada, maybe like a drive-through trip to like Washington or something like that. I don't know, but we're definitely gonna go to a few islands. Like, I wanna go to Haiti. That would be a cool vlog, because it's not really known to be safe out there, but I'm Haitian, so I would love to go out there. I wanna go to Jamaica, you know, Caribbean spots. So we got a lot of stuff coming, I'll tell you that. So you're gonna see me, my black ass, and more black asses, aka family with me, because we going up. I know that, right? Them boys found a spot. They finna smoke that wood. Island boy love the water, twin. Them boys found a spot. God damn. This is really good. For y'all dry lip niggas.
I'm recording you.
I don't know if I would have did this as a kid. I was a little scared of water. But I don't like getting my feet wet in my shoes. And that's what I'm talking about. That's that shit I ain't doing, bro. Look. I'll look away for 1 second. 1 second, plan. I ain't crossing that. No. Whatever I had on my lip, I just put on lip balm, so relax. Oh yeah, I hope everybody had a good Mother's Day. I hope everybody had a good Mother's Day, good weekend. Weather getting nice. I hope everybody just waking up with good, positive vibes, just loving life, loving themselves, spreading love, high vibration, happiness, acceptance. I'm by the water just saying a whole lot of bullshit, ain't I? Dab on the rock. Alright, but yeah. I'm rambling. Goddamn, I'm feeling high vibrational and shit, spiritual. I gotta clean the woods more. Alright, so back to square one, and I don't know how they got there because I'm not walking around nothing to get nowhere. So I'm gonna walk around and get a better angle. Why did I say angle like that? I said angle. Better angle. More walking, 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 more walking. I'm getting them folks off camera. That's crazy. Look, she trying to go home. Like, it's still nice. Yeah, we leaving now. Quick little vlogger.
It's about to be 90. You want to go to the beach on Tuesday? What you see?
What the fuck is that?
What?
Oh, that's a squirrel.
Oh.
I see the squirrel.
Oh, nah, it's Sunday. We ain't going to no beach. I don't go to the beach on Sundays.
And our beach day is going to be on Tuesday.
It's not our day.
90 degrees.
Good. It's a good day to vlog today, ain't it? I'm gonna blur out that license plate. That boy clean. I think it's like a 2013. Maybe a 10, 12, 11. I don't know. Don't see me in public and beat my ass because I got it wrong. I'm sorry. Yo! Yeah, we going to the next little lake or whatever. See y'all there. Beat me there.
You want some berries?
For sure.
Yeah, take them.
I don't know where the hell we at and what the hell we doing, but I can tell you one thing. I got some strawberries. My stomach hurt. I gotta take shit again. I gotta stop eating hot Cheetos, bro. My stomach is. But I do smell somebody on the grill, so I'm about to go ask Unc where the hell you come at. I just said my stomach. This is why my stomach hurt. Because my stomach hurt and I'm finna. I hate hearing myself talk. My damn stomach hurt. I got berries in my hand. I'm talking about asking Unc what he got on the grill. What the fuck? Oh. Okay. More water, little creek. Little creeker. Like, yo, sincere, for real, I drove to
I did that. I threw it.
I drove to Massachusetts once and went to a park and just sat there for 2 hours.
A YouTuber is called a chicken jinky.
That's crazy.
See, I'm trying to be big on YouTube, like that big.
The water is here, actually.
The water's here. Miss it. The water's here. The water's here. I thought this was all we were seeing today. I'm so happy I got berries, like.
No glass in this bitch.
Beautiful.
No glass, no motherfucking pen.
Got families and shit. Follow the fucking rules. Follow the fucking rules, because this is why niggas be getting kicked out. This is why black people not allowed nowhere. Follow the fucking rules, nigga. I'm not following none of them shit. But y'all better.
I got Drake on my thing.
Oh, I was about to say, what you dancing to? I didn't know we had a fake beach here. I got a sock.
Behind the projects, too.
We got a beach behind the project. You heard we got McDonald's at home? Nigga, we got a beach at home. No cap. This bitch behind the twin. Walk through them woods right there, you're gonna be in the projects. In the hood. No. See, she on some black, we got a beach at home shit. No, we're not coming here Tuesday. We're going out of state. She tried it. Fucking beautiful, man. We ain't even know we're exquisite. This shit hood as hell. Look at that in the middle. wait till I zoom in. Hold on. Yo, hold this real quick so I can zoom in. That's so ghetto in the middle right there.
And we can't dive off.
Oh my God, you gotta love Connecticut, bro. They made it work. Socks in my shoes today. Usually I would have been mad at stuff like this, but who cares? And that's what I mean, not following rules. Allergies acting up, I just rubbing the hell out of my eye. But yeah, I guess this was way bigger. You see how this is like right there? I guess back where that grass was, that's where it expanded back to. And I guess it was deeper, but I don't know, I guess it dried up. Life, ecosystems. I wish I can get over there and see these birds, man. These are beautiful. It's the birds with they got like an orange belly. They're all black, orange belly, or orange neck. I don't know. But it might run from me, so I ain't gonna go over there. Yeah, you know how stuff be. Lakes dry up. Just, you know, life. Let me see little twin. Little twin in that bitch. Swimming, look. You can't even say. Yeah. Ah. Help! Oh, go drag. Look, his eyes closed. You can't even see it. I'll tell you one thing about that boy. He know how to have fun. He loved the outside. He gonna play outside. He gonna get in that water. Oh yeah, the vibes ain't going nowhere. Listen. They say conclusions were drawn, but I'm in super denial. What is a loss? Still got the vibes. Drake all summer, nigga dropped 43 songs. I don't want to hear nothing else. Boy, I'm hot baked potato out there, man. Listen, I ain't even got lotion on my neck. I don't know what I'm sweating off. I'm sweating off my skin color at this point. Shit. I got sign to me shoe, sign to me shoe, sign. I got sign to me shoe. Perfect time for this, isn't it? Everybody over there doing them. Go ahead that cut. Really about what's more convenient. You gotta be discreet. I just thought about, if you go to a beach, you ever thought about how much footprints you count in the sand? I don't know. Nah, for real.
Thank you for the moments, thank you for the time, for the love you give and the mountains we climb.
Go big thumbs up. There you go.
Yeah, you're shivering. Yeah, the dude said it's low tide that usually the water covers that whole brick thing there.
Oh, right, okay. Why are you foaming at the mouth? Don't get up. Not yet, Frankenstein. They were gonna record him getting up, and then you could play like that, like superhero music or something, or the Hawk music. All right. Wait, let me get it. Oh, Uncle probably got it too. All right, finishing touches. Oh, his foot showing. Hell no. Hell no. Cover that big toe. We gotta cover that. No. No. Oh my God, is that thing breathing? You. All right, stay there. Okay. The fucking Queen of Hearts, you heard? A rock, a heart rock. I'm taking it home.
I think that was it. We're to go. So we're gonna head back to the car. Shit. Fight it. Shit. So I'm gonna have to clean these shits when I get inside the house. I don't like feeling no gritty sand on my feet. Alright, man. Get out of here. Treat me well. I know niggas probably looking at me like, man, what the hell is this man doing? Don't mind me, bro. Yeah, that's good at cologne though, I ain't gonna lie. Ain't fucking with mine. My shit smell overly good. That's why you gotta keep it going. That big old dog, man. Big boy. Back in the V. I think the day might be over now. I think I'm about to grab some food. And I'm about to find a movie, edit this up. And that's about it. Let them know how much fun you had. Thumbs up?
Yeah.
You too cold. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix it. Yeah. I'm crying. I started from 17. I got I think 60 subscribers now. Nah. But my shorts really do 2K minimum. It's like if I just keep posting a bunch of shorts and clips. As you can see, while not over, she left her chips here, so we had to come back and grab them. But yeah, other than that, it's over. I just want y'all to know that we're very dysfunctional, and we had to come back to the waterfall we just left for a bag of chips. So that's just a day with us. Oh yeah, and what we doing Tuesday? Let them know what we doing Tuesday. Yep. So we got another actual bleach beach. Whoa, bleach. Woo! Yeah, man. Like, yeah. Got him. Found the chips.
Casper.
Now we out when I was actually over.
DM, diamonds ain't here like 3M. I had a fun on your BM. All night white when you PM. Get right, paint on like 3M. Yeah, okay, baby, I'm paid to play. Couldn't get paid to stay. Can't have a hoe I like. I got a bitch from the bay, she calling me babe. Okay, go on the phone, I drink. Keep me a rusher like Clay. We had to graduate. Serving the year on the tank. Fuck it, don't kill. Keep me a cake, we gon' feel. I'm to the race. In the AM, I'm sipping a pulse, maybe blow to the drink, came with a potato. Put a hole in that butt like a bagel. Fuck it, we spinning the stable. Give me the metal like stable. Give me the metal like corn. Fucking that bitch when I'm bored. She wanna ride in the foreign. Hop in that bitch and I floor it. Yeah, okay. I be getting way too paid. Money as long as you train. Give me head, no fucking the brain. Shit, I don't even fuck with you lanes. Yeah, I don't even fuck with you lanes. 4-5 let me spray. Shit. Fucking the good, she give me DM. Diamonds ain't here like 3M. I had a fun on your BM. All night white when you PM. Get right, paint on like 3M. Yeah, okay, baby, I'm paid to play. Couldn't get paid to stay. Can't have a hoe I like. I got a bitch from the bay, she calling me babe. Okay.